blizzard warning for the following area in California: San Bernardino County Mountains. Winter storm warning now in effect until 4 a.m. Friday. Blizzard warning in effect from 4 a.m. Friday to 4 p.m. Saturday. What? For the winter storm warning, heavy snow. Additional snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches below 4,000 feet and 8 to 16 inches above 5,000 feet. Sustained winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts to 45 miles per hour. For the blizzard warning, blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations above 5,000 feet of 3 to 5 feet. Between 4,000 and 5,000 feet, 1 to 3 feet is expected. Sustained winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts 50 to 60 miles per hour. Visibility in fog and heavy snow of less than 1/4 mile expected. Where? San Bernardino County Mountains. When? Winter storm warning until 4 a.m. Friday, then a blizzard warning from 4 a.m. Friday to 4 p.m. Saturday. Impacts: travel will be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions will impact the morning and evening commute. Visibility will be near zero. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. For road condition information in California, enter 800-427-7623 if inside California or 916-455-7623 if outside California.